Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Linux keyboard input issue. This is a bug plaguing Unity. It is not a bug plaguing Rust, so don't even bother reporting this bug to the Rust developers. The correct people to report this bug to would be the Unity developers, and I would hope they already know about this because I have reported it, and many of my friends who do Linux gaming have as well. So I'm going to show you how to fix this right here. So I'm just going to prove to you that I'm actually having the bug. So, hello world. I spelled hello wrong, but whatever. Might as well press enter too. And we're going to go ahead and try and fix it. Now I've noticed, I don't have an explanation for this, but if I open up Steam Chat and type in random shit, send it to a player, sometimes it'll fix it. You have to fucking do it over and over and over. It's a pain in the ass, but it is a fix that I've proven to work before. Now, it's apparently obviously not going to work first try when I'm recording. So I'm going to have to do it about 18 or 20 more times before it works. So, just going to move around. Oh. Maybe you click something on the Steam overlay. But something about the Steam overlay seems to fix it. I'm not sure why this is. But, there we go. So now if I type hello world. And the server is being absolute AIDS in terms of network connection right now because somebody's probably DDoSing it. Thank you. Official servers are great. Anyways, that's how to fix the Linux keyboard issue. Oh yeah, let me just prove I'm on Linux here. Here's a terminal window. Uname. Sure. There you go. I'm on Linux kernel 4.4.0-124-generic, as proven by that command. So, I hope you guys have this problem resolved, and good day to ya.